Davison here. I'm a design team member with the Wild Hare Kits, and I'm here to show you my March kit that I'll be playing with. I'll leave some links below to the other ladies' unboxings. We all kind of release our unboxing on the 2nd of each month, so you can see what we're playing with, and then over the course of the month through our own Instagrams, as well as all the social media for the Wild Hare Kits, we share what we have created. Just like you would do if you wanted to order a kit, the design team as well does the same thing. We go online onto the wildharekits.com and we fill in a style profile indicating all the things we love, we like, we don't like, and also the projects that we're working on, as well as putting in any social media handles so that folks can kind of see what you're looking, what kind of things you create. And then we, based on what we order, we get a hand curated kit. So the crew over at the Wild Hare Kits looks at our style profile in the same way that they look at yours and create a hand curated kit. This month for me, going on with my color theme for the year, I have asked for a yellow kit, and I'm working with a deluxe kit this month. So the deluxe kit is a little bit more product than the petite kit, which is a little less product and a little lower of a price point. And I did not get the cut file this month. I will be cutting that, so I will definitely be showcasing that in one of the projects I do this month, as well as the other thing I wanted to mention as well is that we're constantly looking for any kind of feedback that you have, not just only on our projects, but also on the kits that you're getting and the company and all that great stuff. So please do send us your feedback. The crew there at the Wild Hare Kits, Allison and the team, have heard your feedback, and you will see in your kits are now on a little bit more pattern paper. That's some of the feedback we got. So again, love to hear from you guys. So please just keep that dialogue open. That would be great. So here we go. Without further ado, here is my yellow inspired kit for the month of March. So hi Brandy, happy yellow crafting. Love that. Always one of these, and it's always a good reminder of how to tag us on social media so we can ooh and ah at what you're making. I also got my invoice here, and I got a little note. Hope you love your yellow kit, Brandy. I sent a wide range of the shade from butter to mustard. Love it. I also sent a good mix of collections and love the result. And you know that I always include some faves like ephemera, acrylics, alphas, phrases, and no cut files that you can cut it. Enjoy. So yes, I will be cutting the file, and I will showcase that in one of my projects. I'm very excited. A little unveiling. So here we go. Let's start with the paper. Okay, put this aside. So again, from butter to mustard. I love that description. So this is really nice. Kind of like little paint marks, I guess, in a yellowy mustard. And then, oh, I love this bag. Oh, and that says yellow in it too. Sorry, this is Willow. This is One Canoe 2, and this is called Flourish. Fussy cutting? I think so. Oh, look at that. Fun. Okay, rainbows. Lots of yellow in the rainbow. And then this is the pink paisley again and again. Number 11. And this kind of looks like mountains to me. I love that, but it also looks really cool this way too. Very cool, but I love this side. I think that's the one I'll definitely be playing with. This is Crepe Paper Magical Forest. Oh, I'm so excited to get my hands on some of this. This is the newest collection from them. And this one is called Always. So good cut aparts here. Again, loving that mustard in here. That's so beautiful. And then the back side is the hand-drawn stars. Love that on a kind of a soft muted blue, if you will, like a gray blue. I'm sure there's a proper name for that. This is also crepe paper. Oh, love this color. This is like the classic mustard, right? And these lines look hand-drawn, like they're not totally perfect, which I love, I love, I love. And this is also Magical Forest, and this is called Sunlight. And look at those rainbows. How cool are those? Really excited about that. Some more of the Magical Forest. Crepe paper, love this. All very easy to fussy cut. I mean, if that's what you like doing. And then this backside. Oh, I love that. The same sort of pattern, the sort of sketch, but they're a green on green tone. And this is called Meadow. Very cool. Love it. And love those pops of yellow in there as well. Oh, what is this guy? This is called So Happy Together. This is a Simple Stories paper. Oh, that's cool. Love that yellow in there. Very cool. Oh, and it's cut apart. Yeah, So Happy Together. This is the Elements page. Nice. I don't think I have any of this collection. Cool. And again, just a bit of a different yellow, a bit more of that butter. That's cool. This guy is, who are you? You are Heidi Swap Honey and Spice. This is called Flourish. Look at this, black and white. Oh, that's beautiful. And then the backside is fabulous. This is that yellow. Yeah, and I love it. It goes from like a mustard into like a muted color. Very, very cool. Oh, wow. Jen Hadfield, this is Hey Hello, and this is called Yellow Roses. Those are so beautiful. Just a bit of the yellow comes into those. I'm sorry, but those need to be like, oh, that's great. Oh, fun, love that. I feel like I had something like this before, but it was a little, but I don't remember that. I would have remembered this backside because this is gorgeous. Anyway, this is absolutely beautiful. I love, love, love. And I love this mustard color. Keep getting digressed. All right, this guy here, these are yellow bicycles with some distressing on the edge and then a totally usable branding strip. And then this is Honey and Spice as well by Heidi Stop called Happy Day. Love this, kind of bringing the yellow pieces in. And then this is super cute. A note to brighten your day. Very cool. Love it. Love that. Cool. Oh, wow. And then there is Magical Forest. This is the foil on vellum, so a specialty paper. So hopefully this shows without too much glare. It is rose gold and it's a vellum, and that is just fantastic. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's papers. Then there's also these guys. This is called Brave from American Crafts Stickers, and this is puppy phrases and accent stickers, and they're quite puffy. That is so cool. And I love that there's so many little bits, so you can put them in places. Make memories, that rainbow again. Happiness lives inside the smallest moments. Aww. Little explorer, adventure awaits. Wildflower, cool. Love that. That's really, really cool. And again, all the different little pieces, and it's got that rose gold in it, plus, you know, the mustard that we're looking for. Love this strong. Can already imagine how I'm going to use that. Also included is some Bramble Fox perspectives, or acrylics as we tend to call them, in a nice creamy yellow color. Arrows and some of her cool hearts there. That the world is your oyster. That's cool. Love that. Can never go wrong with some acrylics. Here is some Freckled Fawn. These are enamel stickers, so the triangles and the arrows. And this is like a rich pink color, white, and then 2 tones of yellow. I don't know if that comes through on the camera, but this one here is a little bit brighter than this butter. So mustard and a butter, I guess. That's pretty cool. Love that. Oh, love arrows. Here is some yellow. This is like true bright yellow. Love it. Mini alpha stickers from Pink Fresh. There's 164 pieces in here. Wow. I can't believe that's 164 right there. No numbers, just all alphas, but like the perfect size to make a nested title. Those are going to be really good. These are pretty, really cool. Nice. Also got one of the little magic bags that we all love getting. And this looks like there's some fiber in there. And there is, I think this is called Baler twine, or I keep inappropriately calling it that. But it's a nice yellow with white. And there's a good chunk in there, so that's going to be good and fun to use. And then there's also this Heidi Swap. This is ephemera. There's 72 pieces in it, so there's 2 little baggies. And I see some rose gold in here as well, and I just love that. This is us, and then some bigger pieces here. And I'll just show you on the camera here what's included in there instead of going through it on you guys. So you can see there is some yellow pieces in there for sure. Bringing that in, I think that's going to be really, really great. Love that camera. Oh, look at those florals. So fun. This is going to be really good. Yeah, I'm super excited. So that is me. That is my, what month are we? March? My March kit, deluxe kit. So you can see quite a bit of paper there, which is great, and all kinds of embellishments. Oh, I'm so excited. And I will be playing with this over the month of March. So please do watch my social media, as well as I'll put links down to the Wild Hare Kit social media with all the goodies that I create. Really excited to share, and I will definitely be featuring our cut file in one of my projects. You can see what that looks like as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful month.